There's only one vehicle that blends classic style and modern design to create the next generation of an icon. Take a look at this 2018 Dodge Challenger GT in pitch black. With projector headlamps, projector fog lamps, 19-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, rear body color one-piece spoiler, dual bright exhaust tips, heated and ventilated front seats, steering wheel mounted paddle shifters, 24,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, sport mode, power sunroof, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 5683A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.